There are so many applications are available on Google Play Store by which you can improve your communication skills, you can improve your English. So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi and today I'm going to talk about how to start speaking English. So there are so many people says like I don't have that environment to start speaking this language. So how can I learn this language? How can I improve my speaking skills? So today in this video I'm going to talk about how you can improve your English without having any partner. Yes, this is a 2023 and there is no need to have any partner. Yes, this is a time of social media and you can use social media and you can learn so many things from that. So today I'm going to talk about if you are using any application for speaking English, so what thing you really need to do or what thing you never try to do. So if you are using any application to improve your English, to talk with someone, to improve your skills of communication skills, which thing you should never try to do, because so many people are using those applications for fun, for talk girls. They never want to improve their communication skills, they never want to improve their English. They just start talking rubbish talk. Yes, so first of all I am going to give you some tricks by which you can use this application in a proper way, and you can learn so many things from that application, because there are so many applications. They are very useful to you if you are really willing to learn this language, if you are really willing to speak in this language. If you are using any application that if you are making call to other partner, to other person, to talk with that person, so first of all try to wish like good morning sir, good morning ma'am, good afternoon ma'am, good afternoon sir. Always treat like sir, never try to say bhaiya or anything. Just try to say sir or ma'am. Otherwise you can call him or her by their name, by her name. So these are a very good and mannerful trick that you can use to start talk with anybody. And next thing what you have to do, just introduce yourself and give a chance to other to introduce themselves. If you are taking 10 to 20 minutes to speak about yourself, your duty is to give same amount of time to other person. Try to listen them. If you are speaking 10 minutes, then try to listen other person 10 minutes. This is called respect. If you are saying something about yourself, try to listen other. Yes, give and take. Yeah, if you're really willing to learn anything, or like if you are really willing to learn this language, to speak in this language, so try to listen others. Yes, you will get so many people like they speak very fluent in English, but they are actually using those applications. So think like they are calling to improve you, to improve your communication skills. Try to learn something new from that person. Yes, always listen more. If you got a chance to talk with a very good speaker, so try to listen more and think about, oh, he's using this sentence like this, he's speaking this word like this. You can learn so many grammar rules, so many new words, new vocabs from that person, if you have that patience to listen others. So listening is very important if you are using any app. And don't insult others. Like so many beginners are using those apps, like they don't know how to introduce themselves. So never try to laugh on that, and never try to make fun of them, and never try to insult them like, oh, you are doing wrong thing, you are doing. If you really want to correct them in a very polite way, that they will never mind how you are rectifying that mistake. So always be polite with other person. If someone is doing mistake, tell them you are doing this mistake, next time you have to say this sentence like this. Yeah, they will never mind. Yes, if you correct them in a very polite way, in a very respectful way, they will never mind. And never talk about any sensitive topic like about politics, about religions, because these are very sensitive topics. Any politician, don't try to talk on these type of topic. And I really don't want to talk on politics. I hate politics. I don't know why, but I don't like politics. So never try to talk on a very sensitive topics. It too may create some problem. So never try to argue with others, never try to disrespect to others. Always treat others like you treat you. Yes, then you can learn. You are not learning only English language, how to speak this. Try to learn some manners, try to learn some body gestures, try to learn some the way of speaking, some manners. Yes, there are so many people, they speak very fluent in English, they are very pro in English speaking, but they don't have manners, how to talk with anybody, any person. So try to speak with someone with a very respectful way, in a very good way, polite way. Don't try to humiliate other, don't try to insult other, don't try to laugh on others, don't try to make fun of others. No, never. You should never do this. If you are using any app, just try to help others, because there are so many people like they don't know how to speak in this language, so you can teach them. Always try to teach others. If you have that knowledge, then you can give your knowledge to other people. It will increase by day. If you give your knowledge to other, it will never decrease, it will increase day by day. So try to try to guide others in a very polite way. If you are a boy, if you are a man, and if you are making a call and you got a chance to talk with a lady, with a girl, don't try to misuse that opportunity. Don't try to talk rubbish, any cheapest things. There are so many people, they want to talk like a very waste topic. Yes, so never try to waste your time. What she will do, she will disconnect the call. Yeah, she will never try to talk with you. She can record your voice, she can take your screenshot, she can complain about you. So try to speak with a mannerful way. Don't misuse the app. So yeah, these are very important advices, I can say advices, for all those people who are using any application to improve their English, to start speaking in English. There are lots of people, they don't know how to introduce themselves. So try to teach them now how they can introduce ourselves in this language. If you have that courage, if you have that knowledge, just try to teach others in a very polite way. Don't try to insult them. Yeah, never try to insult them. You can say politely, you are making this mistake, next time please try to stop doing this mistake. Never try to repeat this word, because this word is